If your bank transactions are not syncing properly, fixing bank feed issues in Xero is essential to keep your records accurate. In this beginner-friendly guide, you will learn how to troubleshoot and fix bank feed issues step by step, even if you have zero experience. Bank feed issues can occur due to connection errors, outdated credentials, or bank-side problems. To get started, log into your Xero account and go to the Accounting menu. From there, select Bank Accounts and identify the account with the issue. You may see a warning message or missing transactions. First, check your bank connection. Click on Manage Account and select Edit Account Details or Refresh Bank Feed. Sometimes, simply refreshing the connection can resolve the issue. If the problem continues, reconnect your bank account. Go to Manage Account and choose Reconnect. Enter your banking credentials again and complete any authentication steps like OTP verification. This often fixes sync issues caused by expired sessions. Next, check if your bank is experiencing downtime or maintenance. Sometimes the issue is from the bank's side, and you may need to wait until services are restored. If transactions are missing, try importing them manually. Download your bank statement in CSV or OFX format and upload it using the Import a Statement option. This ensures your records stay up to date even if the feed is delayed. Also, verify that your login credentials and permissions are correct. If you recently changed your bank password, you must update it in Xero as well. Another important step is to check for duplicate or unmatched transactions. Clean up any duplicates to avoid confusion during reconciliation. If none of these steps work, you can contact Xero support or your bank for further assistance. They can help identify deeper technical issues. In short, fixing bank feed issues in Xero involves refreshing or reconnecting the feed, checking bank status, importing transactions manually, and verifying credentials. Now that you understand the process, troubleshoot your bank feed issues and keep your accounting data accurate. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.